wait. First, let me explain how we got here.
In the unlikely event of an evacuation, lights at floor level will get you to the exits. On this aircraft, exits are located as follows. Haven't left anything behind. On behalf of the entire Rouge crew, thanks again for choosing to fly with us.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Iceland, the home of Iceland Air.
Alright, so we didn't just land and go to the waterfall. First we had to pick up this beautiful beast. What did we name this thing? Did we name it yet? No. Okay. I'm gonna name it Tom. This is Tom. Now we're just gonna go get some groceries before we head on in our journey.
I mean, you can try this one if you want.
I got the strawberries. You got the strawberry shortcake one, didn't you?
No.
Oh, you didn't? Or this cheesecake? Strawberry cheesecake?
No, just strawberry.
Oh, that's lame. And then I got my moose juice here. Extremely, so it comes with a warning. So
You're gonna turn into a moose.
that'll be delicious. What a great start to the day here. It's already 8 o'clock in the morning. We're ready to go. So
We are not ready to go.
we're full send. After we got all our food, we headed north to Pingvellir. This was our first stop in the day, and our first stop in the Golden Circle, which are pretty much just 3 main attractions in Iceland you have to see. After Pingvellir, it was on to Geyser, where we were greeted with something we didn't think we'd see and something we thought we'd left at home in Canada: snow. It's like we never left Canada. But a little snow couldn't stop us from enjoying all the explosive beauty that Geyser had to offer. Here we go. This is it. Oh yeah. That was pretty good one, I thought. How's that? Our final stop of the day and stop of the Golden Circle was the mighty Gullfoss. This is maybe one of my favorite waterfalls in Iceland and definitely my favorite part of the Golden Circle.
What he's gonna do.
After Gullfoss and the completion of all the Golden Circle, so Geyser, Pingvellir, and Gullfoss, and after 40 hours of being awake, it was time to check into our Airbnb.
Lava!
It's right there in case, if you see that, it's right there just in case you forget.
I'm doing the first, and then I'm doing the location.
Okay. Hi, everybody, and welcome to the premiere episode of Lava, our new segment here on the vlog.
Lava!
Lava. So you may be wondering, what's lava? Well, we're gonna tell you.
It's an acronym. L stands for location.
A stands for amenities.
B is for value.
And the last A is for appearance. So let's get into the rating.
Okay, so location.
Location. So right now, we're in
What's this place called? Again?
Buckland. I think that's
Buckland.
kind of right.
Okay.
All right. Buckland Legal, and it's pretty close to our next day's destination. So I'm going to give this rating 4 out of 5 lavas.
Are you gonna put on a thing of lava? Okay.
Yeah.
Before it worked. I'm gonna agree with Nate. I'm gonna give it 4 out of 5. Lavas as well.
I'm glad we decided on you to measure.
Yeah,
That's good.
lavas.
Next up is amenities.
Mm.
3 out of 5.
3?
3. I mean, the TV's not great. We do have a toaster.
We
It's
do?
a crock pot. Yeah, we have a toaster.
Oh.
A coffee maker.
Okay, then 3.
3.
There's a
seems
microwave
accurate. There's
too,
a
yeah.
microwave and a stove. But yeah, I think 3. Could be updated.
They're
Not bad.
They're old, but
Not
they're
bad.
there.
Could be improved. Up next is value. How much did I pay for this place?
You probably should have checked that.
I think it was like $200.
Okay.
It was okay. I'm gonna give it 2.5 lavas out of 5.
Oh, I give it 3.5.
Oh, is that? I guess I didn't count the value of the dogs.
Yeah, we got a good experience here. It's a farm. We got to see the animals.
Some people got to watch some cow milk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Value.
Value.
A1. And by that I mean 3.5 lavas.
I say what?
Out of a possible 5.
Oh,
You said
okay.
2.5.
Yeah, I did. And then finally appearance. Right now we're rocking a circa 1990s chic retro style in this place. I'm not gonna blow you away with its modernity, but it's still quite something, you know.
Oh my god.
I had to slip that in there.
Yeah,
Let's
I
try
know
that. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a rating of 3.7 lavas out of 5. So
What
Could
does
do better.
0.7 lava look like?
I don't know, but I have to find an animation for it.
Yeah, okay, fair enough.
What does half a lava look like?
I don't know. I'm gonna give it a 3. It's alright. It's not great. Yeah, 3 lavas out of 5.
Thanks for tuning in for this week's episode of Lava.
The premier lava.
Probably the last one.
Lava.
So that's it for today. Not a whole lot of vlogging content. We had a really long day though. We were up for like 40 hours. So that's my excuse. But you know, stay tuned if you want to see more of our adventures, because you know, tomorrow can always be better. Hopefully see you then.